In this video, I am going to show you a stupid, simple way to start making money online with affiliate marketing. Once you see this way, you're going to say, why didn't I think of that? But let's go ahead and take a look. Stupid, simple, step-by-step process to start making money with affiliate marketing. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so basically what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you examples of people that are doing this, both large and small. I'm gonna make you guess what we're gonna do. I'm gonna talk about why this all works, and then I'm gonna help you start making money with affiliate marketing. So let's jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you a few examples. Hopefully you're able to guess it before I tell you what to do, and we're gonna make some money. So first things first, if we take a look at my screen here, you're gonna see I've got an inverted pyramid or a funnel, and this is how people buy things. At the very top, people ask very basic and general questions, and right now it's blurred out because I don't want you to see it. I don't want you to click off right away. So right now it's blurred out, but down here at the bottom, about the third level up, is what we are going to do today. This is how people buy stuff. Remember, when people go to the internet, they don't know what they don't know, and so they're asking very basic questions. But the area that we have circled, this is where people start to buy, and this is where we're going to come in and potentially start making money. If we take a look at this YouTube, these are YouTube channels that are doing the exact same thing. Now, some of these have 900,000 subscribers, but some of these channels have only 10,000 subscribers. Now, in the world of YouTube, 10,000 subscribers is tiny. And again, I've got this blurred out because I want you to hang around for a little while and I want you to learn why and how to do this. So again, you see this on YouTube. You saw my little inverted pyramid, my funnel. This website is doing the exact same thing. This website, if we look at the paid keyword research tool, this tiny little website that has a DR of 26 ranks for 7,000 words. Now it says the traffic value is only $503, but we don't care about the traffic value because we're affiliate marketers. So there are examples all over the internet that people are doing this, and you can do this too. So let's go ahead and peel back the curtain so that you can see what you could start doing today. What people are doing is they're simply going to the internet and they're creating content about the word under. Yes, the word under can put lots of money into your pocket. Now, I say that this is stupid simple. It's not easy. It's going to take work and it's going to take consistency and persistence. But the word under, the word by itself, is a very powerful word that can put tons of money into your pockets. For example, if we go back over to YouTube, we're going to see that people are looking up the best watches under 100. Now, again, if we look at this, the top result here has 68,000 views from 1 month ago. The second result has 227,000 views. The third result, however, has 55,000 views and only 10,000 subscribers, okay? If we go back and we look at this website, the 7 loudest Bluetooth speakers under $100, this website ranks on this web page ranks on the first page of Google. In fact, this is the one that I showed you just a moment ago that ranks for 7,000 keywords. And if we look at the keywords that they're actually ranking for, a lot of them are gaming chairs under, loudest speaker under 100, best 65-inch TV under $800, best ultra-wide monitor under $300. Now, and they rank in the top 10 for a lot of these, and these are buyer's keywords. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, why is the term under a buyer's keyword? Now, if we go back over to my funnel here, what people do when they come to the internet is they don't know what they don't know. Okay, so they're asking very basic questions like how to start a YouTube channel, how to start a blog, how to record yourself creating content, how to stream, are all questions that people are asking, okay? And once they start learning more information, they're going to ask better and better questions. One of the questions that they're asking, actually asking 2 questions, but one of the questions that they're asking is best blank under blank. Best YouTube microphone under $200. Best lighting under $50. Best computer laptop under $500. People are asking these questions because they know what they need, they know what they want, they just want it to fit their budget. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So you could start an entire YouTube channel creating content about the best X under Y. You could start an entire blog about the best X under Y. If we look at these keywords, my main keyword is under, and I decided to include the words 100, 200, 300, 400, and 600. People are looking up this combination 1.3 million times per month. There are over 244,000 keywords. So look at this. For example, this first one, shop drone under $100. These people want to get a shop drone, but they want it to fit their budget, and you can create this content. Electric bikes under $300. So you could essentially copy this just like this, and you could start a blog, you could start a YouTube channel, you could even do this over on TikTok or YouTube Shorts as long as you add the appropriate call to action. So we typed in electric bikes under $300, got it directly from our keyword research tool, and you can see the top result is 915 views, 1.6 thousand subscribers. The one below that, 41,000 subscribers, 153,000 views, and this is something literally anybody can do. This one all the way down here, 1.9 thousand subscribers, 19,000 views. Now, all you have to do is create the content. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, well, Austin, how do I create this content if I've never purchase the bikes? What I recommend that you do is do a little bit of research. Go out and figure out the different types of bikes. Another thing that you can do is you can actually hop over to Amazon and you can type in electric bikes under $300. And what I would do is I would sort by customer reviews. Now, when you sort by customer reviews, you can take a look and then you can actually set this up so that you only get the top reviews. Ultimately, what I recommend that you do is do a little bit of research and try and figure out the best bikes. Now, what you can do is you can use a combination of ChatGPT to help you get an idea of the best bikes. Now, don't use ChatGPT as your sole source of marketing and creative content. You want to cross-reference what you're finding. So, for example, if we do a YouTube video, we ask YouTube what are the best bikes, electric bikes under $300, look and see if ChatGPT says the same thing, if ChatGPT agrees. Also do a blog search. Okay, and then in your content say, hey, look, I scoured the best blogs, and this is what I found in common. These are the 5 bikes that multiple blogs have said are the best under $300. Now, if you are aggregating information, that's helpful. That helps people not have to go through 20 different blog posts. Aggregate information, let them know that you've aggregated this information, and then you can be successful. Now, the key to this and the key to making money online in general is that this is going to take more than just doing this once, okay? You are going to need to have a game plan to do this many times over, okay? And again, there are 1.3 million searches per month, over 240,000 keywords of people asking these different questions. Cheap deep freezer under $100. So you could put together a list of the 5 best deep freezers under $100. Anybody can do this. You can do this if you are consistent and persistent. This will not work for you if you do this just once. I'm honest with you guys. You have to show up every single day in order for this to occur. And the more you show up, the more frequently you show up, the higher the chances that this will work. And just to show you over on TikTok real quick, we're gonna jump over to TikTok and I'm gonna type in best electric bike under $300 because people use TikTok as a search engine. If we look at this, this is a sign to buy $300 e-bikes with your best friend. This video has 646,000 views. The video next to it, 300. The video after that, 8255. Look at this, get the bikes, 1,600 views. So you could create one video and put that thing up over on YouTube, TikTok, you could put it on Instagram, you could put it on LinkedIn, you could even attach it to your blog. The more places you put it, the higher the chances of your success. And again, this is something that anybody can do if you are consistent and persistent. Will you make money the first week? No, probably not. Will you make money the first 6 months? Maybe. Depends on how much you upload, how much content you create, and how consistent you are with those videos. But this is something that anybody can do. You should have a website, but you could do this 100% for free with a YouTube channel. You can do it with your phone. There's no excuses. I'm trying to think of all the excuses people come up with and why this won't work, but there's no excuse, okay? So if you truly want to be successful online, you will find ways to make things work, okay? You can do this with your phone. You can do this over there. You can do this over here. I'm trying to think of all the different Dr. Seuss rhymes, but this works, okay? Go out. If you want to be successful online with this, take action, show up every single day, come back in 6 months, let us know how it goes, and watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you start your online business.